Top 4 best leaf to flush out toxins and repair kidney swap. What if I told you that some of the fastest ways to support your kidneys and help your body flush out toxins are not found in a pharmacy but in simple leafy greens most people walk past every day? When people hear the word detox, they think about expensive powders, strong herbal drinks, or extreme cleanses. But your kidneys already have a natural detox system built in. The real question is, are you giving them the right support? The truth is, certain leafy greens contain natural compounds that help reduce inflammation, support healthy blood flow to the kidneys, and assist your body in removing excess waste fluid more efficiently. In today's video, we're going to break down 4 powerful leaves that can help protect kidney tissue and support faster recovery, especially if you're trying to take better care of your kidneys naturally. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also share one simple tip that can make these greens even more effective and safer for people with kidney concerns. Let's get started. Romaine lettuce. Let's start with something very simple, Roma lettuce. It doesn't look powerful, it's not exotic, it's not expensive, but sometimes the quiet foods are the ones your kidneys appreciate the most. Roma is made up of about 95% water, and if there is one thing your kidneys truly depend on, it's proper hydration. Every single day, your kidneys filter a huge amount of blood. They remove waste, balance minerals, and control fluid levels. When your body does not have enough water, that waste becomes more concentrated. The kidneys have to work harder. Over time, that extra strain adds up. The National Kidney Foundation explains that staying well hydrated helps the kidneys clear sodium and toxins from the body more efficiently. It also helps reduce the risk of kidney stones by diluting substances in the urine that can form crystals. So when you eat water-rich greens like Roma, you are gently supporting this natural flushing system, not with a harsh cleanse, but with steady daily help. But Roma does more than hydrate. Inside those crisp green leaves are nutrients that quietly protect kidney tissue. It contains beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient supports healthy epithelial cells, the same type of cells that line your kidney tubules. These tubules play a key role in reabsorbing nutrients and balancing fluids. Keeping those cells healthy matters more than most people realize. Roma also provides vitamin K1, which supports healthy blood vessels. And this is important because your kidneys are full of tiny blood vessels. In fact, good circulation is essential for proper filtration. When blood vessels are healthy and flexible, the kidneys can do their job with less stress. There's also folate, a B vitamin that helps regulate homocyanin levels. Higher homocyanin has been linked to damage in blood vessels, including those that supply the kidneys. Supporting vascular health is one of the smartest long-term strategies for kidney protection, and we cannot ignore oxidative stress. Research supported by the National Institutes of Health shows that oxidative stress plays a major role in chronic kidney disease progression. Over time, excess free radicals can damage kidney cells. Roma contains natural antioxidants like carotenoids and polyphenols that help neutralize those free radicals and lower inflammation. Here's a simple and kidney-friendly way to prepare romaine/lettuce without losing too many nutrients. You can lightly saute shop Roma with a little olive oil and minced garlic over low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook it, just until the leaves soften slightly. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for flavor instead of salt. This keeps it low in sodium while still tasting fresh and bright. Serve it warm as a side dish with grilled fish or chicken for a simple kidney-supporting meal. Now let's be real for a moment. Roma does contain potassium, about 247 milligrams per cup. For many people, that amount supports healthy blood pressure, which is one of the most important factors in preserving kidney function. But if someone has advanced kidney disease or is on dialysis, potassium can build up in the blood. This doesn't mean Roma is bad. It simply means portion size matters. If you have kidney disease, it's always wise to speak with your nephrologist or renal dietitian before increasing potassium-rich foods. The beauty of Roma is this. It supports your kidneys in a calm, steady way. No extreme detox, no dramatic cleanse, just hydration, antioxidant protection, and gentle daily support. The kind your body understands and responds to over time. 2. Green leaf lettuce. Now let's talk about another simple but powerful option, green leaf lettuce. This is one of those greens people often overlook. It's soft, mild in taste, and usually cheaper than many superfoods. But when it comes to kidney support, that simplicity is actually a strength. One reason green leaf lettuce stands out, its lower potassium level compared to darker greens like spinach or Swiss chard. For many people who are watching their kidney health, especially those in early stages of kidney disease, this makes it a safer, everyday choice. It allows you to enjoy leafy vegetables without pushing potassium too high too quickly. But what really makes green leaf lettuce special is how gently it supports the body's natural detox system. First, it is naturally very low in sodium. That matters because excess sodium can cause fluid retention and increased blood pressure. When blood pressure stays high over time, it damages the tiny filtering units in the kidneys called glomeruli. In fact, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney failure in the United States. So, every small step that helps control blood pressure also helps protect kidney function. Green leaf lettuce also contains natural nitrates. Now that might sound technical, but here's what it means in simple terms. In the body, nitrates can help increase nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels. This process is called vasodilation. When blood vessels are more relaxed and flexible, blood flows more smoothly. That lowers pressure inside the delicate filtering structures of the kidneys. Research discussed through the National Institutes of Health has shown that nitrate-rich vegetables can improve endothelial function, meaning they help the inner lining of blood vessels work better and can reduce systolic blood pressure over time. That reduced pressure means less stress on nephrons, the tiny units responsible for filtering waste. Green leaf lettuce also provides vitamin C and beta-carotene, both of which act as antioxidants. As we mentioned earlier, oxidative stress plays a major role in kidney damage. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals before they harm kidney tissue. Even though green leaf lettuce is not the highest source of these nutrients, regular intake adds up over time. It also contains small amounts of magnesium. Magnesium supports healthy muscle and blood vessel function, and it plays a quiet but important role in maintaining stable blood pressure levels. Balanced blood pressure is one of the strongest protective factors for long-term kidney health. Here's a simple and kidney-friendly way to prepare green leaf lettuce. Try making a warm wilted lettuce salad. Heat a small pan over low heat. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Then toss in sliced onions and cook until soft. Add chopped green leaf lettuce and stir gently for 1 to 2 minutes, just until slightly wilted. Turn off the heat and squeeze fresh lemon juice on top. Sprinkle a little black pepper instead of salt. Serve warm with grilled chicken or baked fish for a light, heart, and kidney-friendly meal. Now, let's be realistic. Even though green leaf lettuce is lower in potassium than spinach, large portions can still contribute to your total daily potassium intake. If someone already has advanced chronic kidney disease, portion control is still important. The goal here is not to overload your plate. The goal is steady, gentle support. Green leaf lettuce is not dramatic. It doesn't promise a miracle cleanse, but it helps improve circulation, lower pressure on the kidneys, and provide antioxidant protection in a way that feels natural and sustainable. Sometimes protecting your kidneys is not about doing something extreme. It's about choosing simple foods that quietly support your body every single day. Before we move on to the next leaf, I just want to say if you're finding this helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. This channel is all about simple, science-based ways to protect your kidneys and stay healthy as you age. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me where are you watching from and how old are you this year. If you have any kidney concerns or questions, write them in the comments too. I read them, and your question might be featured in a future video. 3. Cabbage. Now let's talk about something that may already be sitting in your refrigerator. Cabbage. Cabbage may not look impressive. It's affordable, it's common. But when it comes to kidney support, it has some very special qualities. Cabbage belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family. That means it contains natural plant compounds called glucosinolates. When you chop or chew cabbage, these compounds are converted into active substances like sulforaphane. Red cabbage also contains anthocyanins, the same antioxidant pigments found in berries. Why does this matter? Because sulforaphane has been studied for its ability to reduce oxidative stress and calm inflammation in the body. Research supported by the National Institutes of Health shows that sulforaphane may help lower inflammatory cytokines and activate phase 2 detoxification enzymes in the liver. These enzymes help the body process and remove harmful substances more efficiently. And this is where things get interesting for kidney health. Your liver and kidneys work as a team. The liver helps break down toxins. The kidneys help filter and remove waste from the bloodstream. When liver detox pathways are working efficiently, there is less overall burden placed on the kidneys. In simple terms, when one organ is supported, the other does not have to struggle as much. But cabbage does something else that many people do not realize. It supports the gut-kidney connection. Studies have shown that people with chronic kidney disease often experience changes in their gut microbiome. Certain harmful bacteria can produce uremic toxins, such as indoxyl sulfate and picosulfate. These toxins can build up in the blood and contribute to further kidney damage and inflammation. Cabbage is rich in fiber and natural prebiotic compounds. Fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria and helps improve microbial diversity. A healthier gut environment may reduce the production of toxin-forming microbes, which in turn may lower systemic inflammation and reduce stress on the kidneys. This is not a quick detox trick. It's a long-term strategy, improving gut health so fewer harmful compounds enter the bloodstream in the first place. Another practical benefit is potassium content. Compared to many leafy greens, cabbage is relatively low in potassium, about 150 milligrams per cup when raw. For individuals in earlier stages of kidney disease, this makes cabbage a more flexible option that can be included more easily in balanced meals. Of course, portion control still matters, especially for advanced kidney disease. But overall, cabbage offers a strong combination of antioxidant protection, anti-inflammatory support, liver detox assistance, and gut microbiome balance. Sometimes the most powerful support for your kidneys does not come from something exotic. It comes from a simple vegetable that works quietly in the background, helping your body stay balanced from the inside out. 4. Arugula. Finally, let's talk about a leaf that has a stronger taste but powerful benefits. Arugula, also known in some places as rocket, arugula has a slightly peppery flavor, and that bold taste often means it contains active plant compounds. When it comes to kidney protection, what makes arugula stand out is how well it supports blood vessels. And this is important because kidney damage often begins quietly with vascular dysfunction. The kidneys are full of tiny blood vessels. If those vessels become stiff, narrow, or inflamed, filtration efficiency starts to decline. Over time, that stress can reduce nephron survival. Arugula is naturally rich in dietary nitrates. In the body, nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and widen blood vessels. When blood vessels relax, circulation improves, blood pressure can decrease. Oxygen delivery to tissues becomes more efficient. This matters because healthy microirculation supports the delicate filtering structures inside the kidneys. Better blood flow means less strain and better nutrient supply to kidney tissue. Research referenced by the National Institutes of Health shows that dietary nitrates from leafy greens can reduce arterial stiffness and improve endothelial function. These two factors, flexible arteries and a healthy vessel lining, are critical in preventing long-term kidney damage, especially in people with high blood pressure. Arugula also provides vitamin K, which supports vascular integrity and proper blood clot regulation. Strong, healthy blood vessels are essential for maintaining steady filtration pressure inside the kidneys. In addition, arugula contains calcium in moderate amounts. Calcium plays a role in muscle contraction and blood vessel tone. Balanced calcium levels help maintain stable vascular function. It also contains antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin. While these are often discussed for eye health, they also contribute to reducing oxidative stress throughout the body, including in kidney tissue. Another quiet benefit is its mineral balance. Arugula is not extremely high in potassium compared to some darker greens, but it does contain a moderate amount. For individuals with healthy kidneys or early-stage kidney concerns, this level may help support blood pressure regulation. However, for those with advanced chronic kidney disease, potassium can accumulate in the bloodstream. So, portion awareness is very important. This does not mean you need to avoid arugula completely. It means you should treat it as a supportive food, not something to eat in very large quantities if your doctor has advised potassium restriction. Arugula works best as part of a balanced approach, improving blood flow, supporting nitric oxide production, and helping maintain healthy vessel function. When circulation improves, kidney tissue receives better oxygen and nutrients, and over time, that kind of steady support can make a meaningful difference. Sometimes protecting your kidneys is about improving the roads that carry blood to them. Arugula helps keep those roads open and flexible. So today we talked about something very simple but very powerful. Not expensive detox kits, not extreme cleanses, not miracle pills. We talked about 4 everyday leafy greens that can help your body flush out toxins more naturally and support kidney repair in a steady, realistic way. From improving hydration to lowering blood pressure to reducing inflammation to supporting the gut-kidney connection, each leaf works in a slightly different way, but together they support the same goal: protecting your nephrons, improving circulation, and reducing long-term stress on your kidneys. And here's the most important thing to remember. Kidney health is not about doing something extreme for 7 days. It's about giving your body small, consistent support every single day. The right foods in the right portions over time, that's what makes the difference. If this video helped you understand your kidneys a little better, make sure you press the like button so more people can see this information. Subscribe to the channel if you want simple, clear health guidance made especially for adults over 60. And don't forget, comment below and tell me which of these leafy greens you already eat, or which one you're planning to try first. Your kidneys work for you 24 hours a day. It's time we start working for them too.